Dawn bathes the temple walls in patient gold. Winged beings drift on the edge of light. I hear Gandharvas in the chorus of air. The sky unfolds as a vellum of silver breath. The birds sing without words, and yet meanings arrive. Their wings sketch prayers across the morning canvas. This is not noise, but a small liturgy. We listen with ears of stillness. The temple bells answer in soft echoes. Bird after bird, a congregation at dawn. Their flight feels like a map of time. A tambura hums beneath the first light. I sense Gandharvas tuning a universal chord. The air carries their chant without words. A bansuri breathes softly through the dawn. A hush gathers around the mountains. Their chorus threads through mist like prayer. In Shiva wisdom, hearing is a form of bowing. To listen is to offer a small, sacred surrender. Yet doubt arrives, a shadow among sunlit feathers. What if these celestial birds are messengers of a deeper alignment? What if the dawn itself is the choir, and we are the listeners? What if the forest, the sea, and the inner temple share a voice? And if we follow that voice, we return to the center. The middle of the sky grows heavy with unseen wings. A darker turn enters like a storm over marble. Branches tremble, shadows lengthen, time slows. Fear of insignificance arises when we hear vast wings. The birds seem to outrun memory itself. What if we are measured against the breadth of their course? What if the yogi in us trembles before the unknown sky? We are asked to endure the distance between breath and sky. But the still pulse remains a candle against the gale. Even in shadow, their cadence teaches steadiness. We are invited to test our listening, not to own answers. If the Gandharvas sing, perhaps the soul murmurs back. The hopeful turn arrives as a widening horizon. Listening becomes a doorway rather than a demand. The winged dawn guides the eye inward toward care and service. The birds model devotion without posture or platform. To hear is to practice kindness toward all beings. To listen is to honor the ancient accord between earth and sky. If the chorus is real, wonder becomes a daily discipline. If the universe breathes through wings, we can breathe with it. Perhaps this is a map, not a moment of proof. Perhaps the true proof is how we change after listening. The dawn becomes a temple without walls. The Gandharvas are not distant. They sit in the corner of our hearing. Their cadence threads through breath and intention. We become guardians of listening, not seekers of answers. gives a sermon about humility and awe. Even the smallest chirp can refill the heart with reverence. The prayer is simple: stay, listen, soften. There is a quiet fire in the listening ear. There is a quiet gravity in this winged chorus. If this is a hearing, let it be a waking. If this is a visitation, let it be mercy in motion. If this is a vow, let it be to honor the living chorus.